Good. How are you?
Yes, I'm fine.
Hello, Habib bhai. How are you?
Yes, I'm fine. Showroom bhai, what's
Yeah,
up?
I'm doing good. Uh,
Okay.
here, bhai means brother.
Yeah,
Yes. I say bye.
yes,
Yeah,
bhai.
Bye.
It's in
it's
Bengali, you know.
it's actually VH bhai,
Bye.
like Vikings.
Yes. Thank you. Bye.
Hello, Sean.
Good morning, Shamata bhai.
Shamanto bhai.
Good morning.
Shamanto
Good
bhai,
morning.
what's up?
Hi, brothers. I'm doing good, bhai. How are you? Habib bhai.
Yes, I'm fine.
Nice.
So,
Nice to
guys,
meet you, Habib bhai.
So,
yeah, nice to meet you. Guys, what are we working on? What did you guys work on yesterday? Start
Uh,
with you, Sharav.
okay, so I was working on the database, so it is almost complete. Maybe I need half an hour to fix some
Okay.
issues, but other than that, it is almost complete. Then I worked on FICO, and the issue was solved.
Mm-hmm.
So the customer couldn't download the
Yep, I
brochures.
saw the task. Yep.
Yeah, so it was fixed. Then I worked on uh, bidding, no, uh, home equity mart. Yeah, home equity
Mm-hmm.
mart. So I submitted it to QA and then worked on Marnie Street bits. So the footer was different, so I fixed that.
Okay.
Uh, now I'm working on the live Cinzy as
Live
well
Gen
as
Z.
as well as the BD nationwide.
Okay.
So yeah, I hope the live gen will be complete soon.
Sure.
Because I worked on it for a while, so it will be completed really soon.
Okay. Yeah, I'm looking. You got a lot in your backlog, but it's okay. You take your time, go through it.
Yeah, most of the time I had to give to the database. So yeah,
And that's fine. Okay. Shamanta, you could go next.
Okay, cool. So I want to start with the technical parts with. So I have the single product page, the shop page, and the combined of cart and checkout page. So first of all, I have been working on the shop archive page, right? I would say it's almost 60% done because I'm still working on the functionality, right? Right after that, I will focus on the designing part, right? Since it's a custom coded page. And after that, I also worked on card and checkout combination task, right? Because, I'm trying to merge both the tasks, right? So I worked both of these, right? And I skipped the shop page for now, right?
Okay.
And that's the update about tactical parts with. And besides, I saw your comment on BD Nationwide Mortgage maybe a few minutes ago, right?
Yep.
So right after this meeting, I will check and fix that issue. Besides, I have, I think, the Ministry design header. I'm not sure is the task is still assigned to me or not. If I have,
Mhm.
I will also work on that tomorrow.
Okay.
And that's the update from me.
Okay. I would say just remember that tactical pursuit is probably the main priority. So if you want to work on one or two here and there, go ahead. But we want to get tactical pursuit done first, or try to at least.
Okay, all right.
Okay. And yeah, I'm looking right now. The header is still assigned to you for Main Street
Okay.
Design.
oh,
Okay.
All
I
right.
want to add something. So
Sure.
in my task list, I still have the tactical pursuit product page.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that is assigned to me.
Okay. Yeah, I'll unassign that then.
Okay.
Okay. And Habib, this is your first meeting.
Yeah.
So usually I just kind of ask, what you guys are working on, what you got done, and if you have any issues that you need, like any passwords or anything that's blocking you. Maybe you don't know how to do it. That's fine. We have people that maybe know how to do it.
Yeah.
So what's up?
Yeah, everything is okay, and I'm going well, and the work is almost done, but it was the problem that I was unable to review because I already shared with you that my power was down, so I was
Yes.
unable to review. I already get back it, and then you already sent me 2 issues, and one of the issue is the heading problem, and you need to do it bold, right? You need it bold, and
Yeah.
other issue is yeah, we need button, right?
Yes.
This is the problem, so I'll fix it within 30 minutes.
Okay. Yeah, no worries.
Yeah.
Just as long as it gets done. I see you have a couple tasks, right? You don't have many. You just have 2 or 3 assigned to you for now. And it'll probably be like that in the beginning. You'll have a couple.
Yeah.
Like these other guys, they kind of get overloaded sometimes, right? They have like 9, 10 tasks to work on. So, over time, as you get more comfortable, I'm sure we're going to assign you more, and then the load will be taken off these guys, and everybody will have, 4 or 5, not
Yes.
too many.
Yes.
Okay. But yeah, good stuff so far. That's all I really have, right? Nobody's having any issues with anything.
Nothing from
Not
me.
right now. Yeah.
Okay. Cool. All right, then. Yeah, we could get out of this meeting early.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
right.
Have a good day, guys.
Yep. You
Yeah.
too.
Have a good day. See you tomorrow.
And enjoy. Happy bye.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Al. Have a good day.
Talk to you later.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Yeah.